Hi guys, welcome back. You're gonna be drinking with Gina. I'm so excited, hey! So, if you've watched my past videos, I've been making different flavors of cellos. Loving this. Today, this is gonna be the easiest one of all. Probably gonna be my favorite. I'm gonna be using cherries. So I'm gonna be making a cherrycello. Can't wait. All right, so for the ingredients, super simple, super easy. It's just a little time consuming because this does take 30 days to rest. But let's get started. I'm gonna be using about 2 cups of frozen dark sweet cherries. And the reason I'm using frozen, normally I would use fresh fruit with my other cellos. The frozen ones seem to taste better. They're just really good. I've tried the other ones. This one, it's like a cherry pie. They're so good. Plus, even better, you don't have to take the seeds out. They're all done. All right, second ingredient, this is only 2 right now, is gonna be pure grain alcohol. This one's 153 proof, and it's about 76% alcohol. So, you can go stronger. I'm gonna stick with this one because I think it's gonna make the flavor better once it's all done. You will see. So this is gonna be easy. I'm gonna get my little mason jar. I'm gonna pour my cherries in. I'm gonna pour my alcohol in, and then we're done. Try not to eat them all while you're putting them in. I'm gonna save them. All right. 1½ cups. Airtight lid, you want to make sure. And you're going to store this for the next 30 days in a dark, cool place. I wouldn't recommend the refrigerator because it will get too cold. Don't leave it in the garage if it's going to be hot out, but just a nice cool place, okay? So, I will see you guys back in 30. Okay, so it's been 32 days since the last time we did this. I'm going to be using our cherrycello mix, and I'm going to be adding it in to our simple syrup. So I've got 1½ cups of our liquor with the cherry infused, and we'll be using 1½ cups of homemade simple syrup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my strainer, and I'm going to take the jar, and we're going to go ahead and strain it into the mixing cup, and then we're going to blend everything together. Okay, so here we go. I can't wait to taste this. I've been waiting only 32 days. So I'm going to pour it over a little ice just to chill it a little bit. Salud. Wow, that is so good. I've never had a cherrycello before. This is delicious. I love this. I'm so excited to try all these other flavors we've been making, but this one, you can really taste the flavor of the dark cherry in it, and it's perfect. It's not too sweet, it's not too strong, it's perfect. This is so good. I'm so happy with this. I cannot wait to try my other flavors that I've been making. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can also head over to Facebook, Instagram, and now Twitter, and you can check out the Jen and Gina show. I'm gonna have pictures. If you guys make these, please take pictures and comment and tell us what you think about these. These are gonna be so good, you guys. Don't forget to check out our next videos. See you guys soon. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this drink recipe and you want to keep drinking, go ahead and click over here with Gina. If you want to start cooking, go ahead and click over here and go see my girl Jen. If you haven't subscribed already, number 1, why not? But number 2, just go ahead and click the button here. I love it.